Hello everybody, it's standard 4th. Subject is English grammar. Let's start the revision of yearly examination. Okay. Question number 1. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. First number. So dear students, here in this question we have to underline the conjunctions. Okay. Conjunctions means the joining words. Okay. So conjunctions we have to do underline from the sentences. Whichever conjunctions are there, that we have to find out, and then we have to just do the underline of the conjunction to the conjunction only. Let's see. First number. Ram is naughty, but Shyam is studious. So answer is but. Okay, so but is our conjunction. Second number, what do you like, bananas or oranges? So answer is or. Okay, answer is or. Third number, how he was taken to the hospital because he was ill. So because is our conjunction. So that is why we have to do underline under the because. Okay. Fourth number, she came to school though she had fever. So though. Okay. Though is our conjunction. So that is why we have to do underline though. Fifth number, I will wait for you until you return. So until is our conjunction. So that is why we have to do circle underline under the until. Okay. Sixth number, I would not I was not at home when he called me. So when is our conjunction. So that is why we have to do underline under the when. Seven number, Raman and Sapna are good friends. So and is our conjunction. Okay. Eight number, you can take rest if you feel tired. So if is our conjunction. 9 number, she went to the market and bought 2 apples. So answer is and. Okay, answer is and is our conjunction. Okay, so now let's start. Question number 2, filling the blanks with the correct conjunctions from the those given boxes in the boxes. So let's start from the box, which whatever has been given in the box. Let's understand first. Because, and, if, or, both, when, but, until, because. Okay, so these words has been given in the box, so that words we have to put where it is necessary. Okay, where it is needed. First number, we study until our father comes from office. Okay, so answer is until. Okay, we study until our father comes from office. So what they are suggesting to us, that we will study until our father will come from the office. Okay, next, second number, we don't watch television when we have exam. Okay, so they are telling that we don't want to see or watch the television when we have exam. So answer is when. Okay, answer is when. Third number, both you and jan both you and Jan were absent on Tuesday. Okay, so both, answer is both. Fourth number, I will go to school if you come along. Okay, answer is if. I will go school if you come along. Okay, answer is if. Fifth number, I got hurt because I felt down. Okay, so I got hurt. Why? Because I felt down. Then six number, Seema, Raju and Sachin are very naughty. So answer is and. Okay, Seema, Raju and Sachin. So answer is and Sachin are very naughty. So and. Seven number, you can do sketching. You can do sketching or paper folding. Okay, or answer is or. Eight number, I called her but she did not pick the phone. So answer is but. Answer is but. Nine number, you can have ice cream or chocolate. Answer is or. Okay, answer is or. Question number 3, filling the blanks with on or in. Okay, on or in. So on or in, these are the preposition, as you already know, on or in. Okay, first number, they are arriving on Monday. Answer is on Monday. Okay, on. Second number, he has a meeting at 8 a.m. Okay, answer is at. Answer is at. Third number, the train arrived at 3 p.m. Answer is at. Fourth number, I arrived in the morning. Answer is in. Okay. Fifth number, he met us at night. Answer is at. Sixth number, she came to pick me at noon. Answer is at. Okay, she came to pick me at noon. Answer is at. Okay. Seven number, the wedding is in April. Answer is in. Okay, answer is in. Eight number, the wedding is on 20th April this year. Answer is on. Okay, answer is on. 8 number, the wedding is on 20th April this year. 9 number, the train arrived on time. Answer is on. Okay. Fourth number, underline the adverbs of manner in the following sentences. First number, the girl sang melodiously. So melodiously, that is our adverb of manner. Okay, melodiously, how the girl sang melodiously. So melodiously is our adverb of manner. Second number, the students spoke politely. So how students spoke politely, so that is why our answer is politely. Politely is our adverb of manner. Third number, Jyoti ran fast. So fast is our adverb of manner. Fourth number, she smiled shyly. She smiled shyly. So shyly is our adverb of manner. Fifth number, the child cried bitterly. So bitterly is our adverb of manner. Okay. Sixth number, you should drive carefully. So carefully is our adverb of manner. Seven number, India played well. India played well. So well is our adverb of manner. Okay. Eight number, Shalini listens to the teacher attentively. So attentively is our adverb of manner. And nine number, they lived happily. So answer is happily. Okay, happily is our adverb of manner. Okay. Fifth number, question number 5, filling the blanks using simple future tense. Okay, we have to filling the blanks with the simple future tense. Okay, simple future tense. So let's start to fill the blanks in a simple future tense. I will go for morning walk tomorrow. So answer is will go. Okay, answer is will go. Answer is will go. Okay, answer is will go. In your paper, in your practice paper, that is underline already. That is underline will go. Answer is will go. Okay, answer is will go. Next, second number, Jyoti will complete her homework. So answer is will complete. Okay, answer is will complete. Next, third number, Meena will participate in the drama. So answer is will participate. Okay, answer is will participate. Fourth number, we will play the piano in the festival. So will play. Answer is will play. Okay, answer is will play. Fifth number, Vinay will join the school after the vacation. So answer is will join. Okay, answer is will join. Sixth number, I will meet you in the office at 10 a.m. So answer is will meet. Okay, answer is will meet. Seven number, Mohini will buy the cake for for her sister's party. So answer is will buy. Okay, answer is will buy. Eight number, you will attend the party along with us. So answer is will attend. Answer is will attend. Then so 8 number, you will attend the party. You will attend the party along with us. So answer is will attend. Okay, answer is will attend. 9 number, he will reach in the office in office on time. So answer is will reach. Okay, answer is will reach. So dear students, here we have completed our question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the next video we are going to check out the next rest questions. Till then you just make it ready, question number 1 to 5. Okay, thank you.